Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a swipe using white as the swipe paint, and I just want to show you now. This is only Amsterdam titanium white mixed with water, and you just want it so that it runs off the stick in a continuous stream. Oops. So that's the consistency that you're looking for. Hope you can see it. So let me just wipe that off. I just want to show you the dried results we've got here. This is the swipe that we did on this long canvas. It is now dry. It turned out really very pretty colors in it. I will be photographing this and putting this in my Etsy shop today. And then I have this one, which was the dip that we did. Now, for some reason, this purple paint has not dried evenly. I don't know if you can see that. It hasn't cracked, but it hasn't dried evenly. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to cover it with a coat of varnish to see if it hides that, because it is so pretty. Really very pretty painting. So I want to see if I can cover it in varnish, if that will fix that, and if it does, I'll put that in my Etsy shop also. Pardon me, but we shall see. My voice is going. So let's put my gloves on, and then we can get started with today's painting. Now, again, I say, when I'm swiping with white, I tend to put darker colors underneath. But today I'm actually just going to put any color down. Just any color, even bright colors, and I want to see what that looks like afterwards. So I've got my palette knife there. Right, let's get started. So I'm just layering random colors on here now. Light, dark, doesn't matter. I'm just putting color down. The spout is blocked. I've got the heat on in the background again. It's currently, I think my phone said 4 degrees Celsius, but northern parts of Ireland have a snow warning for today, so that'll drop our temperatures down here too. So they did say that later today our temperatures are going to drop. Oh, I need to mix paint. I actually went onto Amazon. I don't know where my voice is going. I went onto Amazon yesterday or the day before, and there was no Floetrol available for me to buy, and I don't have a lot of Floetrol left to mix up my paints with, so I hope they get stock soon, or whatever the case may be. Maybe the supplier was just closed for Christmas, I don't know. But yeah, I definitely need some Floetrol. Okay, and I think one more color, and maybe just a little bit more of that, if I can get some out. Yeah. Okay. Let us swipe. So I'm just going to take that stick out. And let's begin. So you just dip the palette knife in, take the excess off, and swipe. And then I keep this on the canvas. And then you wipe off your swipe tool. And you just keep going. Let's see. That is okay. Okay, I'm just going to cover the canvas now around the edges. And this just helps you to tilt it. And that's why when I swipe, I keep this on the canvas. You saw I do that and I keep it on the canvas. It's just to help weight it when you're done, so that it's easier to tilt. And also when you're tilting it, if your canvas is dry, the paint rolls over onto itself, and when it rolls over like that, you lose the pattern. But if it is wet, it glides over, so you don't lose your patterns. So just keep that in mind if you do a painting that has pretty patterns on and you don't want to lose those patterns. It's best then just to wet the canvas around the edges so that the paint glides over more than under. Right, I'm just going to hit that with a heat gun because there's some bubbles from mixing up the white. Now, when you are doing an acrylic pour and there are bubbles in your paint, heat pops those bubbles. So, yeah. So, have a look what this looks like now. Really cool. So now we are going to stretch this out. Okay, so let's start just by going around in a circle. Don't go over the edges yet, we're just stretching it now. So just go sort of to the edge and around. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's go over. Hope you can see it. Okay. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. So just go around the edges now, just to make sure the paint has gone over all the edges. And just dab paint on wherever it hasn't. It looks fine. That is so pretty. The lacing in here is amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, so here it is. Look at this lacing. Look at the colors in that lacing. So pretty. Look at that. Really very cool. I like it. I love the lacing. Very, very cool. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate the support and everybody who watches my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy them. It's not easy being a YouTube creator. It's not a natural thing for most people to stand alone in a room and talk to a camera. and there's no one on the other side. It's not a natural thing. It's not easy to do this. For most people, it's not easy. So when people do watch your videos, and when people give your videos a thumbs up, or leaves a comment and says, oh, I really like that, or whatever, it actually really does mean a lot to us creators. But sadly, a lot of the people who watch my videos don't comment, don't give the video a thumbs up. Very few people share my videos out to their friends or whatever, and it does affect the performance of my channel, and it also affects the performance of that actual video, because YouTube stops pushing my video out if people aren't watching the video till the end, or if people aren't commenting, or if people aren't giving the video a thumbs up. YouTube just stops pushing the video out, and that's it. The video is dead in the water, and that's it. And I mean, I might get, if I'm lucky, 50 views on that video, and that's it. So it is important. It is actually very important that you do at least just give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So I would really appreciate it if you would do that for me. And that's it. Hopefully in the next video I will have a voice. I don't know where my voice is going. I hope I'm not getting sick, because I'll go back to work on Monday. Hope I'm not getting a cold or something. But yeah, I will be back probably tomorrow for another painting. So be sure to join me tomorrow. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.